Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. In previous class, we were discussing about the linear equations word problems. This class, we can discuss about the reducing linear equations. Reducing linear equations to the simplest form and solving them. Okay? Today we will discuss about reducing linear equations. Reducing linear equations to the simplest form. Reducing linear equations. Reducing linear equations to simpler form. Simpler form and solving them. Now, for example, in the previous class, you are getting very simple linear equations and you are solving them, finding the value of x. But here, they will give you fractions, decimals and complicated linear equations. First, you will convert them to the simpler form. Then you will find the value of x value. Okay? Today, we can solve some more examples like that. Let us see one example here. X by 2 minus 1 by 5, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4, x by 3 plus 1 by 4, plus 1 by 4. Here, total 4 terms are there. Out of 4 terms, all are fractions, all are rational numbers. Here 1 by 2 is there, minus 1 by 5 is there, x by 3 is here and 1 by 4 is there. All are fractions. We should convert them to the standard form, then simplify it. Okay, simplify it and remove the denominator, bring it to the simpler form. Simpler form means we should be very easy to find the x value. Like that, we should simplify the equation and find the x value in this one. Now, here x by 2 is variable is there, x by 3 variable is there. Okay, shift these variable terms one side and 1 by 5, 1 by 4 we will shift to one side. Okay, same steps we are following, but we should take more steps to simplify the complicated linear equation. Whatever you have solved in the previous class, same steps will be there, but you should simplify in more steps here. You should simplify in more steps and get the x value. Now what is the first step here? 1 by 5, 1 by 4 are constant numbers. 1 by 5, 1 by 4 are constant numbers. We will shift to right side. Variables will shift to left side. X by 2. X by 2 minus x by 3 equal to 1 by 4. Minus will become plus. Plus 1 by 5. Okay? Now observe this both sides. X value here. Left side, two denominators are there, 2 and 3. Left side, two denominators are there, 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. And here, right side, two denominators are there, 4 and 5. This one, addition of subtraction of fractions. This side, addition of fractions is there. Okay? This side is subtraction of fractions, x into 1 by 2 minus x into 1 by 3. Subtraction of fractions. This side, addition of fractions, you should know. You know how to add the fractions and you know how to do the subtraction of fractions. And here, we will do the addition and subtraction of fractions here. LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. Okay? LCM of 4 and 5, that is 20. LCM of 4 and 5 equal to 20. Because they are in different table, 4, 5 is 20, we will get that one. Now, we will take this denominator LCM value here. Denominator is 6 because LCM value is 6 here. Denominator is 6. 2 3s are 3 2s are Okay, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, denominator 6 value we are getting here. Now what is next step? 3 into x is 3x, 2 into x is minus 2x equal to denominator LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. We will write 20 here denominator. We will write 20. Now 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20. Okay, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20. Now what is here? 5 into 1 is 5, 4 into 1 is 4. That is, now we'll simplify this on both sides. 3x minus 2x, that is 1x. 1x is x only. X by 6 equal to 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 by 20. 9 by 20. Denominator will become numerator that side. Division will become multiplication. Okay? X equal to 9 by 20. Division is there, divided by 6 is here. This will become multiplication into 6. Into 6. Okay, what is your answer? 2 10s are 2 3s are. 2 10s are 2 3s are. 9 3s are 27 by 10. X equal to 27 by 10. Okay? X equal to 27 by 10. Okay. If you want to check that one, you can verify using LHS and RHS value. Here first see the first step. We can explain this one once again. Understand here? X by 2 minus 1 by 5. X by 3 plus 1 by 4. Constant numbers are there, no? I will shift right side. Variable terms I will shift left side. X by 2 minus x by 3. They are variables, I am shifting left side. Constant numbers 1 by 4, 1 by 5. I will shift right side. Okay? Now, take the LCM of denominators. Take the LCM of denominators. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Because they are in different table, 2 3s are 6. Here, LCM of 4 and 5, they are co-prime numbers. We call them co-primes. They are in different table. That is why 4 5s are 20. LCM is 20. Now, 2 3s are 6. That's why 3 into x will write here. 3 2s are 6. 3 2 into x will write here. 3x minus 2x is 1x. 1x means x only. 5 plus 4, that will be 9. 9 by 20. Okay? Divided by 6 is there. Shift to this side. Division will become multiplication. Into 6 it will become. Cancel this one. 2 10s are 2 3s are. We will get 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. 27 by 10 is x value. And this is the way to simplify a complicated linear equations or a fractional linear equations to the simple form and solving them. Okay? Okay, next we'll solve one more question now. Okay, let us see the next question. Next question is n by 2 minus 3n by 4. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 equal to, what is here? N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 plus 5n by 6 equal to what is here 21. 21 is a left side 3 terms are the total n by 2 minus 3n by 4 and 5n by 6. Total 3 terms are there and with fractions, with rational numbers. Now, right side only 21 is there, it is in simplest form. Okay, first we should simplify LHS. We should take LCM of these denominators. LCM of 2, 4, 6. What is here? LCM of 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. First we should find the LCM. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 threes are 2 ones are 3 3 ones are here 3 twos are 6 6 twos are 12 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 equal to 6 12 2 twos are 4 4 threes are 12. Okay, 12 is LCM value. Now we should simplify left side and bring to the shift to the constant numbers right side. Here all the terms are left side are fractions. First we should take LCM of the denominators. LCM of 2, 4, 6. LCM of 2, 4, 6 is 12. We will take this 12 and simplify left side. Now what is here LCM? 12 is there. Now just multiply and simplify it. Okay, what is here? 12. 2 6 are 12. Denominator is 2. 2 6 are 12. 6 is to multiply here. Denominator is 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay, should multiply 3 here. 4 3s are 12. We should multiply 3 here. 6 2s are 12. We should multiply 2 here. Like this, we should multiply the numerators by using factors of 12. Denominator is 2, 2 6 are 12. Denominator is 4, 4 3s are 12. Denominator is 6, 6 2s are 12. That's why multiply 2 here. 6 into n is 6n minus 3 3s are 9. 9n plus 5 2s are 10. 10n equal to 21. Okay, what is here? 6 into n is 6n. 3 into 3 is 9n. Minus is keep minus n only. 5 into 2 is 10. 10n plus is there plus 10n. Now, add the positive numbers, subtract the negative number. 6 plus 10. 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7n. Okay? 16 minus 9 is 7n by 12 equal to 21. Shift this 12. 7 by 12 is there. Shift this 7 by 12 that side. It will become 12 by 7. Denominator will go to the numerator. Numerator will come to the denominator. Division will become multiplication. Multiplication will become division. Okay? N will keep this side. 21. 7 by 12 will become 12 by 7. Okay, reciprocal. If you shift that side, denominator will go to the numerator. Division will become multiplication. Multiplication will become divided by 7. Now in this case, what happens here? 7 ones are 7 threes are 12 threes are 36. N equal to 36 is the answer. N equal to 36 is the answer. This is the way to simplify any linear equation in a complicated form. First you will reduce it. Reduce it, keep the constant variables one side, constant numbers one side. Here all the three terms are variables are there. N, 3n, 5n. All three terms variables are there. That's why I directly take LCM. LCM of 2, 4, 6. LCM of 2, 4, 6 is 12. LCM of 2, 4, 6 is 12. Therefore, multiply the numerators here. 2 6 are 12, 4 3 are 12, 6 2 are 12. Okay. Now 6 into n is 6n. 3 into 3 9n. 5 into 2 10n. Plus numbers you add them. 6 plus 10 16. 16 minus 9, that is 7. If we shift this side, 7 by 12 will become 12 by 7. It cancel by 7 table, add the remaining numbers. Okay, this is the way to simplify a complicated linear equation and reducing it to the simplest form and solving it. Reducing it to the simpler form and solving like this. Okay, if you practice more and more problems, you will be perfect in this one. That is why practice more problems on this one, you will be perfect in. Let us solve one more problem. Okay, next question is x plus 7 equal to right side minus 8x by 3 equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 12. 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. This is the question given here. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Now, take the variables one side, constant numbers one side. Now, what is here? Take the variables one side, constant numbers one side here also. X, 8x, 5x. These are variables. 7 and 17 by 6. These are the constant numbers. We will take variables left side and constant numbers right side. What will we get here? X minus 8x by 3 plus 5x by 2 equal to 17 by 6 plus will become minus 7. Okay? Minus 7 we get there. Now what is here? Now LCM of 2 and 3. Yes, what is LCM of 2 and 3? LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Again, here also the fractions are there. We should take the LCM of denominators. Here denominators are 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2 equal to 6 again. LCM of 6 is 6 only. No problem. Now, simplify, do the addition and subtraction of fractions here. Minus plus is there. Addition and subtraction of the fractions. What is here? Denominator is LCM value 6. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Now, nothing is there means 1 will be there. 1 into 6. 3 2s are 6. 2 3s are 6. We should multiply numbers to get this 6 value. Nothing is there means 1 will be there. 1 into 6. 6 will get here. 3 2s are 6. 2 will get here. 2 3s are 6. 3 will get here. Okay? Now, simplify this one. 6 into x is 6x. 8 2s are 16. 5 3s are 15. This side, denominator x 6 is there. 6 only LCM. 7 by 1. Now, 1 into 6, 6 into 1. LCM is 6 only because only 1 6 is there. Nothing is there, so 1 will be there. Okay? Now 17 into 1 is 17. 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. Now what is your answer? 6x plus 15x is 21x. 21 minus 16. 21 minus 16 is 5x. 5x by 6. That's what we will get there. 17 minus 42 or 42 minus 17. 25 by 6 minus 25 by 6. The sign behind bigger number is minus. That is why we will take minus 25 by 6. This side 5x by 6. Now I will shift these numbers this side. 5 by 6, it will become 6 by 5. Okay? Multiplication is there. That's why it will become division will become multiplication. Multiplication will become division. 5 by 6, it will become 6 by 5. Into 6 by 5, it will become. Reciprocal, you will get reverse. Division will become multiplication. Multiplication will become division. Divided by 5. Now what is here? 5 ones are 5 5s are 6 ones are 6 ones are. So what is remaining? X equal to minus is there. We'll keep minus 1. X equal to 5 here. Minus 5. X equal to minus 5 we are getting because minus 25 is there. No? We cannot cancel this minus. That's why answer is x equal to minus 5. Like this, first we will keep variables on side, constant numbers one side, take the LCM of denominators. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. That's why denominator is 6. Simplify this, x value is minus 5. Okay. We'll solve one more problem on this one. Okay, next question is, we'll grab the next question. X minus 5 by 3. X minus 5 by 3. X minus 5 by 3 equal to x minus 3 by 5. Equal to x minus 3 by 5. Now, both sides, the terms are mixed each other, they are not separate. Okay, both sides complicated terms are there. X minus for both the binomials, denominator is same, 3 only. For both the binomials, here, 2 terms are the total. For both the terms, division divided by 5 is there. Okay, first we will shift the simplify the denominator. We will simplify the denominator and we will simplify that. We will simplify the denominator. Now, LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. If you multiply 15 both sides, we can remove the denominator. What do we get here? LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. If you multiply 15 that side, we can divide that. What is here? Or if we shift this 5 this side, if we shift 3 this side, we can remove in that way also. That is also same. We can shift this 3 this side. Divided by 3 will become into 3. If you shift 5 that side, it will become divided by 5 will become into 5. So what it will become here? 5 into bracket x minus 5. 3 into bracket x minus 3. I am shifting the denominators. Both sides I am shifting denominators. Division will become multiplication. 3 into x minus 3. I will keep this bracket same. X minus 3. Numerator also I am keeping same here. I am shifting just denominators. Division will become multiplication. Now remove this multiply and remove this brackets. What will you get here? Remove and multiply this one. 5 into x is 5x. 5 into 5 is 25. 3 into x is 3x. 3 3s are 9. Minus 9 divided. Now, variables they are in simplest form. Denominator is removed. They are in the simplest form. Now, shift this variable terms one side, constant terms other side. What will you get here? 3x is shift to that side, 25 shift to right side. What will you get here? 5x plus 3x will become minus 3x. 5x minus 3x minus 9 minus 25 will become plus 25 plus 25. Okay, minus 25 it will become plus 25. Now what is answer here? 5x minus 3x it will be 2x. 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 is 16. X equal to multiplication will become division. 16 divided by 2. X equal to 8. 16 divided by 2 is 8. X equal to 8. First what we are doing? Both sides denominators are there. Only one terms are there. Okay, because this will completely consider as one term. That's why division will become multiplication that side. This side here also division will become multiplication. 5 into x minus 5. 3 into x minus 3. 3 into bracket x minus 3. Multiply and remove the brackets. Two terms are there. We should multiply both the terms by 5. Here we should multiply 3 for both the terms. Multiply and remove the brackets. Just simplify. We get x value equal to 8. The questions are very simple. If you practice more and more, you will get idea how to simplify them, how to shift the terms. Multiplication will become division, division will become multiplication. You should be careful about this one. Okay? While shifting the numbers or terms, we should be careful about which sign we are, which numbers we are moving. What is the relation between the present numbers? Here division relation is there. That's why it will become multiplication. Okay? Here also division relation is there. It will become multiplication. But in the last step here, what is here? Plus and minus sign is there. Addition and subtraction will become addition. Like that. Be careful in shifting the terms. Be careful in shifting the terms so that you will not get confusion while solving this one. Be careful while shifting the numbers, whether which number will become multiplication, which number will become division, like that, or addition or subtraction. Should be careful in shifting the numbers. Okay? We'll solve one more problem. Let us say one more example. Here 3t minus 2, 3t minus 2 by 4 3t minus 2 by 4, 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3, 2t plus 3, 2t plus 3 by 3 divided by 3 equal to 2 by 3 minus 3, 2 by 3 minus 3. This is the question here. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 equal to 2 by 3 minus 3. Okay, this is the next question here. Here also same steps. What we should do? We should shift the numbers. We should shift the numbers here also. Variable terms one side, constant terms another side. Here also t is there, shift left side. Or okay, first we will remove the denominators. Later also we can shift this. Now first step is here. What is that? Shift this t that side. Minus t will become plus t this side. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 minus t will become plus t. Plus t equal to 2 by 3. Right side, it's very simplest form is there. Right side 2 by 3, I'll write this term as same. Now minus t will become plus t that side. I am shifting this only one term. Now take LCM of 3 and 4. LCM of 4 and 3 equal to 12. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Now what is here? 12 is denominator LCM value. 4 3s are 3 4s are 3 4s are 1 is there, nothing is there, means 1 will be there. 1 into 12. Okay, what will get here? 4 3s are, we should multiply 3 here. 3 4s are, we should multiply 4 here. Okay, 1 into 12, 12 we should multiply. What is your answer? 3 into 3 is 9. 90. 3 2s are 6. Minus is there. 4 2s are 8. 8t. 4 3s are 12. Plus 12. If you multiply here, minus into plus, minus it will become minus into plus, minus it will become here also minus 12. You can remove the bracket. Plus 12t. Plus 12 into t is 12t. RHS 2 by 3. Okay. Now simplify all these. Do the addition and subtraction. 3 into 2 is 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 2 is 12t. 2 by 3. It is correct. Now what is your simplest form next? T you do addition and subtraction. Constant numbers you do addition and subtraction separately. What is here? Plus 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 plus 12. It is 13t. Minus 6 minus 12 minus 18 divided by 12. This 12 division will become multiplication that side. Okay, division will become multiplication. 2 by 3 is enough. Divided by 12 will become into 12. I am shifting this 12 that side. 3 1s are 3 4s are. What is here? 8 is remaining. 13t minus 18 equal to 8. Minus 18 I will shift to that side. It will become plus 18. 13t equal to 8 plus 18. It is 26. t equal to 26 by 13. Multiplication will become division. Multiplication will become division. 13 ones are 13 twos are. T equal to 2. Okay? The steps are very simple. First, I'll take LCM of these. I'll shift this, take this side. Take the LCM of denominators. LCM value is 12. Okay? Multiply the numerators now. 4 3s are. I am multiplying 3 here to the numerator. 3 4s are. So multiply 4 to the numerator. 1 into 12. 12 I am multiplying. Because we should multiply the factors and convert into the simplest form. T do addition subtraction. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 plus 12 it is 30. Constant numbers. Minus 6 minus 12 it is minus 18. Okay? I'll shift this 12 divided by 12 is there. Completely divided by 12 is there. It will become multiplication that side into 12. Okay? Into 12 it will become. Like this. Simplify. We will get t equal to 2. Practice more and more problems on this one and you will be perfect. Write down, open your textbook or questions, take your questions, solve them clearly. Okay? Remaining next questions we can see in the next problem. Bye.